Good afternoon, guys. I'm Saving with Shay. I am here for my Walmart midweek haul for you. I think I need 8 offers for $3. And I'm not mad at it, not at all. And so that's what I'm working with as far as today. I did want to mention, y'all, I did find a workaround for my Ibotta issue. If you guys are having the same issue that I am, where once you do an offer, it's kind of stays like clipped and it's kind of locked and it looks like you can do it, but when you check your list, it's not there. So I found a workaround. I was super excited about it. And so what you have to do is when you go to like the regular gallery or whatever where all the offers are, if you see an offer that's clipped but it's not on your list, you have to manually enter it. So manually put it in the search bar. It'll pop up and it won't be clipped. Clip it and then it's on your list. So I was so excited, y'all, because I could do the razors. I could even do Airwick, y'all. Like, I feel like we haven't had Airwick in a little minute, but I'm able to do it. So I'm excited about it. I wanted to share that with some of y'all. Hopefully you're not having no issues, but if you like me and you are, I'm like, OMG, I'm so excited about it. I'm going to keep this real brief. We're going to head into Walmart right here, see what kind of awesome deals we can grab. Did I say subscribe? I didn't say subscribe, did I? No, I didn't. Listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the pow. If you take a sec, I never wear this, y'all. You know why I never wear this top? Because it looked like it's pajamas. But today I was like, it's a moons and suns type of day. But listen, if you are new here, definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl. And without further ado, we're gonna head into Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, hit the like button, keep on watching, and hype your girl up. All right, y'all. So this first deal is on the Ava Fresco. Have you guys tried this? It is so good. I already went through one pack. I still have one more left, so I think I'm gonna pass for today. But it is priced at $4.98. Now, when I clicked the offer for aisle, it was a 50% offer. It sent me a BOGO offer. So if you have the 50% offer, you'd buy one at $4.98. You'd get back $2.49 from aisle. And then $2 on Merryfield would make it 49 cents. If you have the buy one, get one free offer, it works out to be the same. Only thing is you'd pay 10 out of pocket, get back 5 from aisle, and 4 from Merryfield. Making it 98 cents or 49 cents if you buy 2. So whether you buy 1 or buy 2 based on your offer, it's the same price. Next up is the Daya mac and cheese. This offer just popped up on Social Nature. I did put a post on my community tab for you guys. For this, you have to buy specific flavors. You have to grab the taco mac and cheese, which is priced at $2.97. For this, you'll get that back to Social Nature. We also have $1 back on Ibotta, making it a $1 moneymaker. And then for Fetch Reward, I have a threshold offer, spend 18, get back, I want to say 2. And I am tracking from when I did the cheese a few weeks back. And so I'm going to try to grab it for both accounts. And so, yeah. All right. So this one, the deluxe one, is actually on a different aisle than the regular mac and cheese. It's in the gluten-free section of the store. It's priced at $4.17. Now, this offer does have a cap on Social Nature of $3.97. So that's all you're going to get back there, plus $1.50 on Ibotta will make this a $1.30 moneymaker. Next up is the Swagbucks Refresher, priced at $4.68. For this, we're grabbing 2 of them. We'll end up paying $9.36, getting back 5 for 2 on one of the sister apps. Make sure you check, because some might have 4 for 2, some might have 5 for 2. And then we have $1.50 back on Ibotta, and then I'll be hitting a threshold offer on Fetch, getting back 2. It'll bring them down to only 43 cents each. Now, y'all know, check out 51. They are starting to limit one. And a lot of their offers do exclude Walmart. So definitely make sure that you read the verbiage. And so, yeah. All right. I was looking for the Downy Fabric Enhancer. It looks like they're priced at, I want to say $4.97. It says they have it online, but I don't see it. Getting back $2.50 for Walmart rewards would make that $1.97. So next up is the finish. Now for the $2 offer on Ibotta, it does work on this one, the 11 count, the 14 count, and the 18 count, getting back $2. Okay, $2.94, $3.18, and $2.94 after Ibotta. I'll be using this $3 printable. It's no longer available, and it is Knox, meaning it does not expire. Ordered 2 sets last time I ordered from IP Ferry, so that's why I have a nice stack left. I think I ordered, and then the offer was no longer available, and so I was left with a bunch. But I figured since they were Knox, why not? And so grabbing one at $4.94 in the $3 printable, bring it down to $1.94, getting back 2 makes it a 6-cent moneymaker with a limit of 3. I'm not sure if the printable will work on this one or that one, and I don't even want to try because I know it works on this one, so that's the one I'm gonna grab. Okay, so here I am getting Airwick. So I think I may have mentioned in my intro, I finally got my Ibotta app to work. I have to manually type the item in. If I see an offer that's clipped and it's not on my list, I have to manually enter it and clip it. All right, so I have offers for the starter kit, price of $3.97. I broke out these Knox coupons. I ended up paying 97 cents out of pocket, getting back $1.25 on Ibotta, making that a 28-cent moneymaker with a limit of 3. Now, I also have one for the 2-pack as well, which I'm hoping that this coupon it still scans for this, but the 2 count is priced at $5.98. Now I have this $4 printable right here. Again, it's Knox. All right, Knox, meaning it does not expire. It'll bring it down to $1.98, getting back $1 on Ibotta, making 98 cents with a limit of 3. All right, the last thing over here is on the Glade. It's on this Scent Flow plug-in device. It's priced at $13.98. Now the offer on Ibotta is $4 back, but the offer on Walmart Rewards is $7, so it'll make it $6.98. If this is something you know you want to try. So next up is the CoverGirl. The reason why I was doing this deal, y'all, is because I was super close to cashing out on Checkout 51. I was only like, I think, $3 away. So I went ahead and did the CoverGirl deal. The cheapest one they have as far as the face is the powder's price at $5.97. I'm getting back 3 on one of the sister apps and 3 on Checkout 51. Makes it a 3-cent moneymaker. I grabbed the mascara as well for eye, and it looks like they're priced at $5.98. Same thing, 3 and 3. I'm making it a 2-cent moneymaker. Then I said, let me just do this deal here on the razors again. For the extreme, it's priced at $6.78. Using the $4 printable. I know you guys have seen it. I've showed it several times. And so that coupon is going to take off the $4, and we'll pay $2.78, getting back 3 on Ibotta, making that a 22-cent moneymaker. Limit of 3, so we can go ahead and max it out. I also have the Hydro Silk too. My extreme is on a timer though, so that's why I'm going to do that one. I have the Hydro Silk as well. $6.78, $4 printable, pay $2.78. Get back 2, makes it 78 cents. We do have $3 printables on coupons.com as well, so you can print those. Skin Timid, $6.27. I'll be using the 4. Well, I would be using the 4. I'd pay $2.27. Get back 2 makes it 27 cents. If you're using the $3 coupon from coupons.com, I'd make that $1.27. If you're $1.78. And so yeah, it just keeps coming and going. I swear I checked it. It was there. I check it again. It's gone. I did this deal. The next day it was gone. I checked it today or yesterday is there. So check and see if you still have the offer. G wording. It's buy 1 get 5, buy 1 get 12, buy 2 basically get 24. And so I do still have the offer as of right now. So grabbing 2 at $14.68, you would pay $29.36, getting back 24 on inbox dollars, and then 8 on Ibotta, our Walmart Rewards. And then we have 3 on Checkout 51. It makes it a $5.64 moneymaker. Again, the printables have not been working for me, and I've tried, y'all. Believe me, I've tried. And so yeah, definitely it's not a bad deal. So this deal is not the greatest deal, but if it's something you use, then it would be a good deal for you. It's on the Pantene Rescue, price at $7.97. You could grab either one of these. Well, I'm sure you could grab any one of them, obviously, but the cheapest ones are these two here, priced at $7.97. Getting back 5 for Walmart rewards would make that $2.97. All right, so this deal here is on the Colgate Optic White Pro Series. It's on the double pack. They're priced at $14.96 for this. We have a pretty high offer on Ibotta for $12, bringing that down to $2.96 for a 2-pack, or maybe like $1.50 per tube. So yeah, might not be a bad deal for you. All right, so this deal here is on the VH Essentials. Now the wash is priced at $6.97, getting back $3.50 on Ibotta. 2 on Fetch makes it $1.47, and then the spray is $7.97, getting back $3.99 on Ibotta and $2 on Fetch, making it $1.98. All right, so the last deal is on the Dial hand soap. I cannot believe I forgot to do this deal because I really wanted to do it. They are still on rollback for $2.58, so 2 is going to be $5.16. Hopefully you can still find the dollar peelies out there. It'll bring the total down to $3.16. Getting back $2 on Tada and $1 on Ibotta would bring it down to only 8 cents each. All right, y'all. So here's my complete haul for today. This worked out pretty good. Like I had no, well, only thing is that True Skin coupon is just not scanning for me. I tried, I really did. Like I went to self-checkout, it was a no-go. Went to a regular cashier, which I never ever do, right? She called a manager over, couldn't get it to work, couldn't get it to scan. And then yeah, so yeah. And at that particular store, like well, any of the stores, like I know which cashiers will push them through for me. And at that particular time, I didn't see her. So I just kind of just closed my eyes and picked one, right? Like they would call what, cashier profiling? Yeah, I remember that back in the day, cashier profiling. Like you want to pick the young, like a young kid that he's just trying to get in, get out. Anyways, but yeah, so I could use it. But it's still a really good deal anyway, so I figure why not. But obviously, if I had been able to use at least one printable along with Checkout 51, it would have been even better. And as of now, that deal is still working. I still have it. I'll pop up the apps. I still have it on. And it is specifically for Walmart because there's like 4 different offers for different stores. All right. What else? The Daya. The urban garlic one, that one, I had to correct the receipt on Fetch Reward. Both receipts I had to correct. They have corrected one so far, but just know that I scanned it. The UPC isn't in their system yet. And so you have to manually type in Daya and then click just mac and cheese for that. What else? Other than that, I think that's basically it. The CoverGirl, that worked on Checkout 51 for me. I think I did Checkout 51 and Inbox Dollars. And for that, for the sister apps and Checkout 50, I've been doing the sister app first because I feel like I don't know. I don't feel like there was a real huge difference whether I did Checkout 51 first or the sister app at the same time. Lately, I feel like Checkout 51 offers take longer to process. And so I just started doing the sister app first. Plus, a lot of times we get back more on the sister app. So I prefer to do that first anyways. But I did do Inbox Dollars first. CoverGirl's always go in review because it's a manufacturer offer. And so, yeah. And then Checkout 51 and cleared. Let me show you my receipts real quick. I only have 3. All right, so focus, man. This was the larger one with the finish, the Airwick, and the razors. As you can see, all my coupons scanned. And again, I did go to self-checkout. All right. This was the one for the mac and cheese for Joseph's account. And then this is the True Skin. I did this on the 24th and it was still working. The CoverGirl and then the Suavitel. All right, so I only had 3 receipts for today, which was cool. And that, I'm gonna try to run through this super fast. If you haven't had a chance to hit the like button, definitely show your girl a little love and hit that like button. And so everything that you see here retails $112.02. I had $30 in coupons, which brought the out of pocket down to $82.02. Our sales tax was $805, and then we're getting back $35 from inbox dollars, $33.75 from Ibotta, $13.88 from Social Nature, $9.51 from Checkout 51. It's so windy outside today, y'all. Super windy. Fetch Reward is $402, and then last but not least was Walmart Rewards, which was $250. So getting back a total of $98.66. It's gonna make everything that you see here free, plus a $16.64 moneymaker, which is definitely not bad considering it's a small haul. Like, I'm mad at it. And so with that being said, I hope you guys have the most amazing day, night, or whenever you're watching, whenever, wherever, and I will see you in the next video. Make it to the end. I want to see a blue heart and a baby emoji, and I will see you in the next video.